What's up, biggin?
We just got a cucumber.
Yeah, you could have let that one grow a little bit more.
We have some the size of this that we brought in because we're gonna pickle them.
You're gonna pickle them? Well, you could probably make some spears out of that. How many do you got?
Almost 5. This one's
Okay. Hi. What are you doing?
curing these onions.
Curing the onions, huh? How do you cure them? What's the process? Just let them dry?
Yeah. Just for a few days. Some of them are pretty good size, but some are not much bigger than what we started with. Man, it's warm out here.
Yeah, it's hot in the sun.
You mean go get Judah? It's like 10 o'clock. That way you can eat and do whatever you want.
I'll go get him. I don't mind. All right, so let's talk about schedule real quick. We've been pumping out for the last 2 months, 3 months. We've been pumping about 4 videos on average a week, and then we had a little hospital issue with Jesse. Jesse fell ill and had to go to the hospital. That's all been documented and hashed out. Everything's fine on that end, but we've just been so busy here lately that it's been really hard to find time to film and do other things that we need to do. So with that being said, me and Jesse have had a lot of talks about this, and we're gonna scale back a little bit. I'm gonna start taking a bigger role in doing some of the filming. So sorry, you're gonna be stuck with me a little bit more, and break that up. She's been taking the brunt of it most of the year, just with my schedule and things like that. But I told her I'm willing to keep that up. So we're probably going to cut back to 2 to 3 videos a week. We're still going to try to release on similar days. So you should see one towards the middle of the week, and then one on the weekend, and there may be one in the middle of all that. So I know that's it's not the consistency you're used to with us. We had been very consistent, but just to be honest, life is just happening, you know, and it gets busy. And we really want quality over quantity, as far as we want to make something that people enjoy to watch and that is a little bit informative. The other thing is, I told you guys about a huge announcement for our family that we've got that we're gonna let the world know. That hasn't come final yet, and we're gonna let you guys know as soon as that is on its way to being final, and it's really close. So it's a big deal. I'm super excited about it. I'm a little stressed about it, but it's a big deal. It's a reality that we've been trying to make happen for a while now, and it looks like it's finally going to come. Lord willing, it looks like it's finally going to happen. So that's what we've got going on. I just wanted a full disclosure. There's no other issues other than just we're busy with work and the homestead, and honestly I think we're just both a little bit burnt out at times on trying to manage everything going on. Anyways, time for me to move this. Then I got to go eat and pick up Judah. I'll take you along with some of that, and then we'll go from there.
fishing.
Went fishing?
I watched Jurassic Park.
You watched Jurassic Park? Oh my goodness. Was that scary?
Nope.
Not at all?
Nope. Some parts scared me when this board stomped its foot down on the
Yeah.
on the snow.
Cool. Well, we missed you. We're glad you're coming home. All right, I am gonna dig these potatoes in this box because this box is just, all the potatoes look really bad. Been trying not to overwater them, but these potatoes for whatever reason look pretty bad, and I'm really curious. We've still got 2 boxes that are doing fairly decent, and we'll add the layers to those 2 boxes, because those 2 boxes, this box here and this box here, look pretty good. So I'm gonna dig this box here, see what we've got for potatoes, see if we've got any in here, and then we'll keep the other 2 boxes going and see how it goes. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. All right, so dug the potato box, and we got about, I don't know, half a dozen of this sized taters, which I'm not disappointed in. That one wasn't quite as high as that box, and this box has got a little bit of catching up to do, but hopefully they'll keep taking off and we'll keep building them up through the summer. And that box, just for whatever reason, I think got hot, burned up, whatever. It was just done. And we got, like I said, I'll show you a picture of what we got out of it. We got about a meal out of it. So me and Jesse were just discussing it, and you know, we've learned a lot this summer as far as what works and what doesn't work in the garden. And I think we were both a little maybe naive to the fact that we didn't structure the garden like we should have, as far as, you know, putting food up. So I don't know how much canning we'll get done, but we're gonna have fresh produce all summer long, so that's nice. And then next year start over. So here's what we got as far as potatoes out of that first box. I did have one more that was about this size right here, and I just split it right down the middle with a shovel. Rookie mistake, I guess. So we got, like I said, just about enough for a meal. So hey, you live, you learn. That's kind of the update on potato box. We don't want to freak the mom out too much. Let's pull this down a little bit. You guys see the birdies? See the birdies? Check out the birds. Alright, Mama's getting stressed. Let's leave them be. That's
there
pretty.
She is. There she is. That's a really
Sparrows are soft thrush.
Where's she at?
She just flew right there.
Oh, I see her. Yeah. Huh.
Sparrow or
No, she's one of those little.